This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 91. When motivation stops being the driver, stability replaces force. Motivation is powerful only in unstable systems. It appears when energy fluctuates, when direction is unclear, when effort must compensate for inconsistency. So motivation becomes the whip, the push, the inner pressure. But it's temporary and it burns fast. In a regulated system, motivation loses its job because action no longer depends on emotional spikes. You move because the system is ready. Energy is available. Timing is clear. There is no internal resistance. Action becomes mechanical, quiet, reliable. This is why highly regulated people often seem unemotional. They are not inspired, they are aligned. Motivation is noisy, stability is silent. When stability takes over, discipline softens, consistency becomes natural, and effort drops dramatically. You don't ask, "Do I feel like it?" You ask, "Is it time?" And if it is, you move. This is adult functioning. No hype, no force, no collapse afterward. Motivation belongs to transition. Stability belongs to mastery. Next episode. Why consistency becomes invisible. Thank you.